Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. I think you guys have guessed it. We are doing a Sarah Sanderson makeup tutorial from Hocus Pocus. If you are interested to see how I achieved this Hocus Pocus Sarah Sanderson look, then please keep watching. Okay, jumping right into this tutorial. She has this like messy, flawless, glam, flirty kind of look. So I'm going in with my primer first. I'm using the No Poreblem Primer by Touch in Soul. Then going in with a foundation, I'm using a very full coverage foundation because her skin in pictures and in the movie looks pretty flawless. She's very pale in the movie. You can be very authentic to the character or match her skin tone. I'm gonna kind of go somewhere in between, close to my skin, but maybe a little bit lighter. Alright, moving on to eyebrows. Sarah has very full, fluffy, dark eyebrows, so that is what we are going to try and mimic today. And all I'm doing is I put a little bit of a staying wax through my eyebrows first, running some pomade through it, and then maybe running a little bit of powder through them. What's kind of nice about her eyebrows is that they don't look very precise and they're very bold, so you don't have to do like an Instagram brow. You can kind of get a little messy with it because her brows are very, very feathered. Moving on to eyeshadow, I'm just going to prep the eyes with a little bit of concealer first. And she essentially just has kind of like a smoky eye going on, so that's basically what we're going to do. It kind of blends from very like black eyeliner to dark brown out to like a sheer brown. So that's what we're gonna do here. Again, what's kind of nice is that her look doesn't look very manicured, so the smoky eye doesn't have to necessarily be precise. I'm gonna conceal under my eyes before I smoke out the bottom lash line. Setting that in the whole face because she looks pretty matte, so we're gonna be matte. Not to mention this will help your makeup stay throughout the night. To finish the eyes, I'm going to use some black eyeliner on my waterline, lower lash line, top lash line, basically everywhere. And then I'm going to smoke it out on the bottom, just a little bit. And then some mascara and lashes just to zhuzh up the eyes. Now we're going to brush away all this powder. And she doesn't have a huge like contour to her face, but she does have a little bit of color. So we are going to bronze up the perimeter of our face with just a big face brush and a light bronzer. And it doesn't look like she's actually even wearing any blush, but I'm going to put like a little bit of pink on my cheeks. Lips, she has a dark red lip, so I'm going to use a dark matte red lip. And And then she has a mole on her chin, so I'm going to take a brown eyeliner and draw in a mole. I feel like that's super iconic to Sarah Sanderson. Alright, all that's left is to add the blonde wig, get your costume on, and there you go. Alright guys, and here is the finished Sarah Sanderson look. I do not actually have a Sarah Sanderson costume, so I just painted a little costume on me. But what's kind of great about her blonde wig is that her style changes a lot through the movie, so you can have it super curly, kind of straight, wavy, whatever. This is just the blonde wig that I have, so I threw it on. But you guys, I think it turned out great. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I will list all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you need to check out any of them, you can do that on your own time. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys!